Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can easily change a language in Netflix on your smart TV, if it's Samsung, whatever. So what you want to do is pretty straightforward and pretty simple. Let's say I'm going to choose, let's say, I don't know, this one, Rise of the Legend, right? Play from the beginning. And you're always gonna have on top, on bottom, you're gonna have other. And you can have like the audio here. So always when you're gonna have it somewhere the subtitles, and you're gonna click other here, and you're gonna have the subtitles that you can change, and also audio here. And that's pretty much it, how you can add and change subtitles. So thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.